Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And don't worry about the background noise, but today I'm going to be doing how to make slime. It's gonna be kind of like a galaxy color slime, but like it's gonna be a bit different. But there is because I already made slime, but whatever. Act like that's not there, and just. It's a lot, but I'm gonna make like a smaller one, but whatever. And you can add any color you want. I'm going to add blue, green, and red. Blue, green, and red. So here's some red. Only did 5 little things of that. Do 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoops, wasn't me. And my green. 1, 2, there we go. And then I need my mixer. Where is my mixer? Where is my mixer? My mixer. One second, I'm just gonna go get this food.
Yeah, you never remember who you're facing, Severino and Tanaka, and if you're going to shut down the season after 2 games, I don't want you on my team. I think the Blue Jays regrouped.
So here it is. Here's my spoon. Okay. My spoon. Then I'm just gonna mix it. It's gonna be like a bunch of different colors. Like if you look at it now, it's a bit weird. I just dropped it in. And there's gonna be blue added to it again because the Tide, I've used Tide, and I use Tide and Borax. So that's a lot. Whatever. And I'm not adding shaving cream to this. So I mean it is a bit wow. But it's also a bit just a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna mix. And then it should all go into a little ball. No, if you can block them. Mix. I don't know if this is gonna work out, but it should. So. I'll just do it with my hands. That gets me a little bit of, I don't know what I call it, just a little bit of kneading choice, should say. Whatever. My hands are really nasty. Whatever. More some Tide. Whoa. I do it with my hand.
More stuff to that on top of the
No.
detergent? No? Or the laundry detergent?
No, you don't.
Going into tonight's line got a bit of a break last night. They got the loss to Milwaukee. Drake, Doris, Drake. Other 2. Pretty heavy hitters in the crowd tonight.
It's some rappers in the show last night as well. Too short.
Mixer. Oh yeah.
Second quarter though,
bit hard. Then it should be all right here. Ew. It's almost done. Mix. And then add a little bit more of borax that already dissolved. And then, kind of is, just need to add more butter. And this means it should almost be done. And it's almost done. I have another one too. This is one of my light colored ones. Ew, that's nasty. You just need to keep on kneading it in your hand. Ew.
Let's go to the NHL. Huge game for the St. Louis Blues. They start with 1 point out of a playoff spot with 3 games to go. Hosting the Chicago Blackhawks. First period.
Oh my God, you.
The Blackhawks respond. The centering pass deflected to Andreas Robinson. He makes.
Ew. I'm letting this go back in and spin. Oh, my leg. Oh my God, let go of me. Let go. Go. Okay. And here you have it. There is. That's how you make your slime. Okay. Here it is. That's how you make it. So you have it all right there. And it doesn't really click. I'm gonna add a different color. Like add a different color into it. Bang. Bang, bang. Whoopsie. Okay. I'm gonna flip it over. Whoa. 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 And here it is. That is the slime. Here, and I'll just quickly show you my other one. So I'll bring this over here. It's on my leg, my foot, whatever. I'm just gonna hop over here and go put it in the other one. This is my other one. It's in a straight circle just because. These ones are so different. Like this one's right here's my babe. Whoa! That's fine. So, and love you all. Have a good day or night or whatever. You know what I mean. And just hit subscribe and punch the like button. Bye guys.